if you use Plastidip on your wheels, but like me, I did this too thin because I was practicing. I'm actually a pro at this, but I was just practicing with different colors. And you want to peel it out, but it's not coming off, right? What you want to do is you go to Walmart, AutoZone. Actually, I bought this at O'Reilly's, but other places will have it. So you want to spray it on there, right? You want to saturate it and just let it sit for 30 minutes or more. And then once it's already gooey, you get your cap, this right here, and the wheel that you're going to be cleaning up. And what you want to do is just scoop it up, you know, like that. See that? I've been doing it, but it's simple. That's all you have to do. Just like that. It's not gonna scratch your wheel because this is plastic. It's actually soft plastic, so it's not gonna do anything. And that's it. It's very simple. See? And then of course, once you get to this point, you can just grab soap and water and clean this up. And it'll be nice. You're not gonna damage your wheel this way, so it's gonna end up looking like this one, see? It's pretty simple. Next, I'll be spraying these silver metalizers, I think.